Alright, I'm really excited. I just managed to crack open this lock. We're going to try to pick it one more time. This is my nemesis. This is my ASSA SCD. This is a 7-pin ASSA with the old style so-called Christmas tree pins and counter milling and the like, and this is the key for it. Really nice. Alright, and this is an anchor lock, Anchor Loss, Sweden, model 830-3. Bought this second hand, and this takes an ASSA SCD 7-pin oval, and we're going to try to pick it one more time. Okay, see how this goes. I'll lock it up. Key works. Lock is locked. And we're going to try to pick it open one more time. I had a conversation with Red Eye on YouTube about difficult ASSA 7-pinners, and this is the one I was talking about when I spoke to him. And after that conversation I tried it out in my vise and actually managed to pick it. I've only been able to pick this core with only 5 pins inside before. I picked it once with 7 and I was really excited, and I put the camera on and I could not replicate that. And this is the second time I picked it with 7 pins. So let's try to do that. So Red Eye, this is for you. Alright, I got a false set. And I've been working on this for several months, really trying to wrap my head around it, and I think I figured it out. But let's see if we can pop it open one more time. Number 1, 2, 3 solid, 4, something dropped, 2 again, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. There we go. Okay, back to number 1. 2. Got a nice click from number 2. It's that second click. 3 solid, 4. Ah, I lost it. Alright, back to square one. I'm gonna reset. Okay, one more try. Seven, 6. So that's 7 and 6. Still got a false set. Back on 1. Come on. 2. Three solid, 4. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2. Okay, don't screw it up now. 2. Oh, I thought I had it. It's gonna be a long video. Number 2 again. Come on, come on, come on. Damn it. Hey, look at that! Oh man! Woo! Alright, 11 minutes. Alright, let's gut this quickly. Holy crap. I got it on video. Alright, that's my first ASSA SCD picked. Don't lose that. Don't lose it. Okay. Let's gut this open. And as I said, this core, this oval, is inside an anchor hardened steel padlock. Weighs a ton. Okay, don't screw this up now. What I'm looking for. I'm really sorry about the long video, but tough luck. Tough luck. There we go. Remove that, and let's see if you can get this. Okay. First one, the 7th, is a standard pin. Whoops. To keep that in frame. Second is a Christmas tree pin. Third is a tapered standard pin. And in chamber number 4, we get a short mushroom pin. Oh crap. Alright. And in chamber number 3, we have a tapered standard. Chamber 2. Come on. Christmas tree. And in number 1, another Christmas tree. Pour the bottom pins. There's an untied drill bit. Another one. That's a real deep one. Number 6. And mushroom pin. So let's see if we can find some light to... Alright. here we go. We got counter milling in 1, 2, 4, and 6. Really evil stuff, which corresponds to the pins in 1, 2, 4, and 6. So that's what we got. Zoom out a bit. Alright, that's the ASSA SCD. 4 Christmas tree pins, 3 Christmas tree and a short one, some master wafers, and 2 mushroom pins in the bottom. They are designed to snag on the shear line and stick, so you can't pick it open, so you have to reset everything and start over. Alright, 17 minutes, too long video, but that's the ASSA. Damn, I got it on video. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and Red Eye, good luck, see ya.